Energy transition is a long method to solve the global warming problem, and I think we have to get rid of thermic energy like coal or petrol and to switch to wind energy or to waves energy, which is very great and can solve problems for entire populations.
Because now it has been 100 years since we started destroying our planet, our nature, and today we have the opportunity to use nature, to protect nature, like by using wind energy or solar energy, for example, instead of coal and petrol, which are destroying and polluting our nature.
One concern that we're discussing is the importance of transitioning from using fossil energy to more efficient ones. So for example, people are encouraged to use wind turbines and solar panels, but not everyone is aware of it. We, as the youth, have a voice to promote these kind of things in order to show people how harmful their deeds are and how they can change it.
I think that the energy transition has to come from the young people, and because we have to change our society and our way to live. Everyone can give a solution to this problem, and everyone is useful in this complex problem. So everyone has the solution and everyone is the solution.
Alternative ways to produce energy is a really important topic nowadays because all the Western world is concerned about ecology and the exhausting fumes which factories are producing. And talking about my very own country, Ukraine, we also have a really difficult transition now to alternative ways of energy. Also, I cannot miss the topic of nuclear energy because I think that almost everybody heard about what happened a little bit more than 30 years ago in Chernobyl. So I think that these two topics should be discussed more, and youngsters should be involved in non-governmental organizations discussing this problem.
I personally want to contribute to the environment. I think there are lots of things that people can change in their everyday lives, but I don't want to talk about those because everybody knows them, like taking showers, not baths, and all that stuff. What we are doing right now at the parliament, it's amazing. We can change laws and give our opinions on things, even though we are young and usually don't have a lot of experience. But Europe will always give us the opportunity to speak up if we have the will to.